Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Dr. Ross is pulling off the Janet Jackson style right now.
That's right, poetic justice.
Poetic justice indeed. But we're going to get into our hot topics for today, starting it off with TMZ's brand new podcast. And, you know, a few of the topics on there actually caught my eye. One of them was the hot topic with Chris Brown. Now,
That's right.
The ladies were saying that Chris Brown was going around pretty much just saying he was beating up Rihanna. And I feel like he shouldn't be getting as much hate because, first, that was a long time ago. Second, Rihanna, she made Chris Brown.
That's right. Chris Brown would still be the same Chris Brown he was before, worried about a sweet 16, and now Chris Brown has evolved. I really feel like with some celebrities that have moved on and changed and evolved as celebrities, as people, that we should move on too, because he's a fantastic father, he still performs, he's having a lot of fun.
He's a great dancer.
Exactly, he's enjoying himself.
He needs to be getting more praise.
I woke up Chris Breezy.
Britney Spears' conservatorship case.
Yes.
Now, she won that case, but I feel that the money she spent on the lawyers, she could have spent the same with the father. And the father,
even somewhere else.
And the father he's getting older, and that's not to say anything bad about Mr. Spears, but I feel that doing this is going way, way too fast. Because all of this money, why does she need it?
No cap.
Exactly. Why does Britney need all this money right now? And we do know, if you've been watching the Rose and Gold for a little bit now, IK and I have spoke about this on the past, very lightly though, but we have said that Britney only got her conservatorship after she had gotten banned from Las Vegas and after they were claiming her mentally unstable.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And for Las Vegas to say that you're mentally unstable, that is really something, because you know the saying,
what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
We will update you guys on another hot topic, another Rose and Gold, because right now we're trying to keep this
more
Britney
neutral.
thing neutral. But Britney, we love you. Stay safe, and hopefully your father is doing well too, because this is just a very big, messy situation. But
the lawyers got paid.
Britney is free, I guess.
Let's get into our next hot topic for today with the brand new 007 film.
That's right.
Dr. Ross and I are actually going to be watching the premiere of this film soon, so
Super
make sure to
excited.
stay tuned for that, because we're going to be giving you an in-depth movie review.
That's right, and I'm going to see Rami Malek, which is Rami is the character that I'm going to see for the 007. So
And everyone seems like they're going to be doing an A+ performance, because this film, it seems like it's going to be great, especially since I think it's been delayed over 5 times now.
well,
That's just
we're
an
glad
estimate.
it's finally came out. It's finally come out. My fault.
And you know, it's just a self-absorption, but I could be the next international 007.
You could. We have our passports ready, and we're ready to go to UK.
That's right. These were all of our hot topics, but for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll see you in LA. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. But other than that, make sure to hit the like button, the share, and hit the subscribe if you want to stay notified with the notification bell.
That's right.
We'll see you guys in the next episode. Out.
This is a certified
Whoa, hey,
classic.
hey.